Good evening, everyone. I'm going to do a quick update for this weekend. We're going to touch up on the markets, the equity markets, maybe the currency markets, and the commodity markets. Let's see how fast I can talk from now until the 5 minutes are up. So here we go. The S&P 500 futures. Uh, what we have been doing is we came up here. We had this rally at the beginning of let's see, at the end of November, and uh, we came up to this downtrend line, the one that is dotted right here, and we have been consolidating. Okay, uh, contracting volume, and then yesterday we fell from the, I guess, bottom. I guess you can say the bottom fell right from this little almost rectangle consolidation. Now all it did was uh, this pattern sometimes is called a knockdown. Let me go ahead and zoom in. Okay, where does is just, I guess, knocks down about anywhere from 3 to 5 days of trading, but all it does is it comes back to the moving averages, and in this case, um, the um, the one that I have is a 112 moving average that we have pierced through, or we gone above. Also, also, it was one of the lightest volume days aside from, I think, the Black Friday or Thanksgiving, one of the other, one of the two. Um, so today, finally, the Europe got their act together, or somewhat, and they came out with the announcement, and that was the news that I guess the market was looking for, and even though it's still kind of light volume, you can tell the I mean um, the buying pressure that came in once the market got what they were looking for. Okay, so that's the S&P 500. And I do expect next week to be a little more volatile. But more or less we'll be piercing right through this dotted downtrend line. And obviously this is the daily chart, so we're gonna be piercing right probably in the first Monday, either Monday or Tuesday. We'll be looking at that. Let's look at the dollar, what the dollar did, because I've been saying this really close, this coloration. Uh, the 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 equity markets and the currency markets are trading very close to each other. So the S&P 500 and the dollar. Um, uh, Now this is the dollar daily chart, um, and we had gone to this downtrend line, and we hit it once, twice, and now we've hit it. We came up to try to hit it a third time, and it looks like we fell. Uh, we weren't able to do it, and we came back in. So until we're not able to break through this moving average right here, it looks like it's looking at 34-day moving average. It looks like it's bouncing off of that. I think next week with uh, once the whole all the news from Europe are done, uh, the technicals will have more free, uh, more of a space to do what they're there to be done. They're there for them to do. Now, last thing I wanted to check out real quick was the euro, and the euro it's been doing is almost like a double bottom. We hit right here on October. Now we've hit a second time in November, and we broke out of this falling wedge, and now it's looking like we've done a test, a double test on that resistance, on that support area. So it looks like it held, and now we're gonna be going up. Um, I can't really say much more about the goal, which is we're still in this consolidation range. So until we don't break one way or another, which I think is going to be up, that's going to be it. And the energy sector is still my favorite. Until next time, thank you very much.